Capture outgoing and incoming packets using TCPDump. Hi guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can capture incoming or outgoing traffic using TCPDump. This is one of the best filters you need if you are investigating network related issues. Let me grab the interface we are going to use. Here is my interface. The process is the same with Windows. You can just find your interface. The first thing we are going to check is incoming traffic. To do that, we use sudo tcpdump, then the interface -q. Then if you are capturing incoming traffic, you say in. So here we are capturing only incoming traffic. Let me stop this. If you want to capture outgoing interface, the process is the same, just that you change in to out. Now we are getting only outgoing traffic. It is just this simple. Also, you could capture both of them at the same time by using in, out. Let's hit enter. You see, now we are capturing both outgoing and incoming traffics. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share. Thank you.